Alright, my next video is gonna be how to clear your headlights being foggy, which mines are. This one's bad too, as well, but let me see. So we try some WD-40. It's got a shot vac, little paper towel type thing. Just spray it, whatever. Alright. See if this works. I see the difference. Should be able to see it at a certain angle. Trying to get the whole light. Flip it over. A little bit of residue. It's pretty good. Mine is a 1999 Civic, but it's an aftermarket headlight, but not too bad. That's pretty good. Looks better than this right here. So, real good. So yeah, let's use your regular paper towel from the house, WD-40. As simple as that. Just spray it and that's it. Fold it up a couple times, but yeah, let's see if we can look at it like this. Yeah, you see a difference right there. But yeah, just try it yourself. Let me know what you think. Thumbs up, likes, all that other good stuff. All right.